unbox this thing. Let you know. We are Daily Express. I did put in true package. User 1. Features how to use. Fine. Okay. It's so cheap. Not even a box. It's heavy though. Jaragar. There's a dial. So it's a GMT. That's cool. Like it. Really cool. Check it. It works. Confused. Is the dial is blue or black? Anyway. I don't know what kind of movement. Heavy. Seems to be well made. It's just a cute picture. Just like that. But it is quite nice and impressed. This is obviously stable. But you know what? It does look pretty good. To be honest. I'm gonna let you know the good. Leather strap. Leather is quite rough, that's fine. Sits well on the wrist. Even though it's a little bit heavy. It's quite good. Anyway, I like it. Well done, Express. Well done, China. It is not bad at all. Cool. Right. I read the manual. Actually, I access the QR code. So this will change the month, which doesn't make sense to me at all. Because 257, what that means, I don't know. Truly don't understand what that means. And if you look around, there's 14 months. Okay, that doesn't make sense. Fine. So this one will change the date. That's alright. Let's cover these turns. Doesn't mean anything, just turns. Just one turn. It's quite cool. Problem. Alright. Can you see the problem here? The bloody thing doesn't align. So I don't know if the Chinese see the hour different, but it doesn't align at all. I don't know if I'm stupid, but this is not right. Under here, this one is 24 hours time, but look at this, it doesn't align at all. Barely. 6, barely. 11. Jesus Christ. If I have to use this for some reason to align with that, but it shouldn't. Anyway, and it doesn't matter even if I open this to try to correct the hour handle, it's still not gonna align. It doesn't matter, it will not align. Right, that's changing my review. The watch quality is fine for £12. Basically, if you're going to buy on eBay here, just a strap will cost around that £5, £7, £10. But it doesn't align. It's ridiculous. Just to show you, that's stupid. That's absolutely stupid. Bye. See you tomorrow.